The SmittyBilt winch is suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps. With a 10,000-pound pulling capacity, this winch is powerful and reliable, being also fully waterproof, allowing you to use it in wet and muddy conditions without worrying about damaging the motor or electrical components. It comes with a convenient wireless remote control, allowing you to operate the winch from a safe distance. The winch is equipped with a high-quality synthetic rope, making it lighter, easier to handle, and safer in case of breakage. I have run this winch in different situations, and with a 6.6 horsepower motor, provides sufficient torque and speed to handle demanding recovery operations. SmittyBilt offers a limited lifetime warranty on the X2O-10K winch, demonstrating their confidence in the product's quality and reliability.